Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with the Instacart app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start paying for your groceries on Instacart, but you want to use PayPal. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Instacart app. Next, click on your profile icon on the upper right-hand corner. Then, click on settings, and then from here, click on debit/credit, PayPal, and more. Now, once you do so, you're going to see the option to add PayPal. Click on add where it says PayPal, and it's actually going to prompt you to log into your PayPal account, at which point you could actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Instacart. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with the Instacart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.